good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning. My name is Cherry Samdao. I am 25 years old and I live at Alicia Isabela. I have one sister and one brother, and I am the second child of the family. I am a graduate student at Bachelor's at Isabela State University with a degree of Hospitality Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I had my work experience as a housemaid at my sister's house. I was responsible in maintaining the cleanliness of their house, do cooking, wash their clothes, and ironing the clothes. And I also take care of their children, especially when my sister is at work. And I also had my experience as a housekeeper at Talisay, Batangas, Labala Isabel, and Manorcam Janhay during my internship.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the children is sick, I am going to take their temperature, and if necessary, I will call their mother.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
I don't have, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to save money for my family and to stop my mother working as a domestic helper at Singapore.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
I have my brother at home that will take care those responsibility that I'm going to.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
When I'm homesick, I'm going to call them through video call and remind myself that I am doing this for them.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 to 11 p.m. and wake up at around 4 to 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and talk to them nicely.
Okay. Do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework
Yes,
there?
I will, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and I'm willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and nose and tongue. Head, shoulder, knees and toes,
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm hoping that you will choose me and I will assure to maintain your house very clean, and I am a very responsible and trustworthy person.
Okay.